here?
Bruh.
Those cars are going like 200 miles per hour. That's so fast. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Fucking dipshit. Fucking asshole, dude. You don't fucking go. It's a fucking game.
I'll tell you about it.
So, okay, I'll let y'all lock in, and I'm gonna call Coop, see what's up there.
Sounds good. Let us know what
What
you're
is this
supposed
dipshit doing? What are you doing? This person is the biggest idiot I've seen in my entire life. I'm about to pull this up on dash cam. What the fuck are you doing? Are you stupid? What are you doing? Are you dumb? Are you dense? Crazy.